So, hey guys, it's Amy with Bargain Mama, and my son was in the middle of trying to tell me a story, but I want to try to get these videos done. So I was fine, and I just pushed the record button, and he just darted out the bedroom door. So I just thought it was funny. I'm like, you can keep talking, but you obviously see him trying to do a haul here. So, anyways, guys, this is going to be a pretty short Fry's slash Kroger haul, but I just wanted to show you guys. I love, love, love to go to the freezer the clearance freezer section and the regular clearance section at Fry's. One second. They always have some. Dang it, I forgot paper towels. I went in there for paper towels, literally got no paper towels, picked up everything else. Dang it. Anyways, so like I said, this is not coupons. I don't have any coupons. I'm sure I could have saved more if I did. I did not have to download anything to my app, nothing. I literally walked in, went to their frozen clearance section, went to the regular clearance section, and walked out with a haul. Some of the other things they had was they almost always have pizza pockets on clearance for like 50 for like $2 of the Tostinos. We have a lot of those in our freezer, so I didn't pick any of those up. They have the baked pie crusts, the name brand ones that were 99 cents, and I think they're normally like $3. I didn't pick any of that up. I don't pick it up if I don't need it because, excuse me, somebody else probably needs it more. And you never know, you could need a pie crust. So I don't want to take it if I don't need it. But I did pick up a couple of things, so let me show you what I picked up. You guys, this says was 99 cents, but these are way more than 99 cents. I don't know, I think. I haven't bought them in a while, but I thought they were normally, I think when I used to buy them, they're like $3. So these are 30% less sugar than soda. Tropical Punch Kool-Aid makes 8 quarts. It's 19 ounces, caffeine free. So this already has the sugar in it. I can't even tell you the last time I bought Kool-Aid. I'm being honest. Like, I don't even know. But summer is here. I live in Arizona. It is hot out there. Okay, I'm not going to drink it because I try to drink a lot of water and stuff. But my kids, their friends come over, whatever. They're going to want something to drink. So I picked this up. I picked 4 of these up. They were 49 cents each, you guys. 49 cents. Already has the sugar in it. It's going to make... So I don't even know. It makes a lot. It makes, like I said, 8 quarts. I don't know. So anyways, I picked up 4 of the Tropical Punch and for 49 cents each, and 4 of the cherry for 49 cents each. 49 cents, guys. I mean, that is a steal. So again, I picked up 4 of each of those. I was gonna look. And so yeah, they are good until December of 2022. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. That's fine, right? So please don't help me in my haul. Sorry, guys, I have to reach. So because I'm doing, if you watched my kind of life update video, you're going to see that I'm doing I'm now going to be doing my hauls, videos, whatever, in my bedroom or outside because we are moving. So we're packing. So we're always going to have little friends because these guys love to be in the bedroom when we're in here. They're not allowed when we're not. And so they're like, when we're in here, they are on the bed. Sorry, I was making sure I have lots of stuff back there, so I don't want them getting in. Let me see if you can see. Look at this little princess's face. Hi, baby girl. She did such a pretty girl. Oh, she's going to come over here. So this is, you guys have seen her in a lot of our videos. This is our little Princess Belle. And say, I'm 2 years old. I'm 2.5, huh? And she is our little princess that gave us 10 puppies, and we kept the oldest one. She is our baby girl. Anyway, sorry. I am off today. Anyways, I did pick up the sparkling ice with caffeine. This only has 5 calories. It is 16 ounces. Picked up 2 of them. They were 2 for $3. I'm already drinking the strawberry citrus. They're not bad. I don't pick them up all the time, but I was already there, and so I picked them up. So they were $1.50 each. And again, they are 5 calories and they are 16 ounces. Okay. I had my receipts, but I'm just going to take a guess because I remember about what these were. I picked these up before and they had them in the freezer section again. And these are just the Uncrustables peanut butters. My kids love them. You can either just eat it with just the peanut butter. You can drizzle some honey over the top of this. You can get a little bit of jelly and dip this in some jelly. I mean, you could do anything with it. There's 4 of them. I paid $1 for 4, so that is a really good deal. And when you have, yeah, there's 4 1.8 ounce sandwiches. And when you have the boys that I have, for $1 for 4 of these little babies, that's a good deal. So I did pick up the golden Ore-Ida fries. I don't normally pick these up either. This is 32 ounces. These were $1.88. Yeah, they were on clearance from like $3.50. So of course I picked them up because we can always stick them in the freezer and use them for anything. And then, Robert, come here for a second, please. Sorry, guys, I forgot. There's something in the laundry room I want him to bring me. I just want you to bring me something real quick. So, okay, these are the fully cooked crispy chicken strips, and these are the Kroger brand. They are 25 ounces. I paid $2.48 for these, and they are normally $5. Again, this is just another really quick, it says they're microwavable. You can put them in the oven, whatever. Like I said, they're already fully cooked. Since my youngest son is doing school from home for the rest of the year, he can just throw those in the microwave and eat them. They're normally $5. They're name brand, so that's a good deal. Let's see. I did pick up 4 of these, and they are, how many is in here? They are the beef and cheese carne queso made with real cheddar cheese mini tacos, 16.2 ounces. Does it tell you how many is in here? I'm trying to see. Preheat oven to 45. Let's see. So there's per container about 5, and there's 5. So there's about 25 in here. Actually, I bought 4 because I thought that we would need 2 for each meal. We don't need 50. So actually this is I was thinking sometimes during football season or during basketball or something, we kind of do little appetizers so that we can kind of sit in the living room and watch our football or whatever, or when I'm at work, we can hurry up, throw these in the oven, make some quick bagged rice or something, and have a meal. So these were $2.48 also. Again, I got 4 because I didn't realize there was 25 in each bag, but I mean in each container. So these are the Jose Ole. These are amazing, you guys. Like I said, so these are just the little tacos. Once they come out, I mean, you can put sour cream, you can do whatever you want. These are so good. I love these. So, let's see, I got that. And then I think the last thing from Fry's are just the same thing I always buy, is I did pick up the sparkling ice, I did pick up the fruit punch and the classic lemonade, and they are $1 each. They're 0 sugar, and they are 5 calories. So I'm gonna run and get really quick my laundry soap, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so my last thing I wanted to show you. So I found these at Fry's, and they were in their clearance section, and these are normally $4.99. I got them for $1.50. If you know how much laundry we had to do in this house, we have 4 dogs, so I have to wash all their blankets and stuff. We have 3 grown men. We have me, and then we have my son's girlfriend who's here sometimes. We have all the bedding. We have everything. The amount of laundry we do is insane. So this is 36 fluid ounces, and I did look, yes, it is HE, because that's our washer is the HE. I don't even know what it means. I just know that my husband said it has to be that. So this is the all stain lifters with Oxy name brand. Like I said, I got it for $1.50. I picked up 3 of these. This is all they had in the Oxy, so they were, like I said, $1.50. And then I did pick up 3 of these, and these are just the regular. And this is 40 ounces. So this one is 36. This one is 40. This does 26 loads. And yeah, this is normally also $4.99. And I picked it up for $1.50. So let me see if this will let me do this as my thing, because that's amazing. I don't know how you guys do it. I guess I'll just take a picture. Yeah, I'll just take a picture. But these were $1.50, guys, for name brand laundry soap. So I picked up 3 of each. So that is the end of my Fry's Kroger haul. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.